Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. Today our topic is time and work. So to understand this topic, let us see one example. So if one man can do a piece of work in 50 days, then let us increase the number of men, say 45 men. 45 men can do the same amount of work less than 50 days. Means if we increase the number of men, the days will get reduced. So if we increase the number of men, the days will be reduced. If we increase the number of men, then the work performed by that men will be increased. And if we increase this work, the days are getting reduced. Days is nothing but time. Time is getting reduced. So, if work increases, then time is getting reduced. So, work and time are inversely proportional to each other. Time are inversely proportional. Inversely proportional. This is one point to remember, and other point is if a person done a piece of work in 10 days, then for one day he can do 1/10th part of work. So similarly, if a person has done a piece of work n days, then for one day he can perform 1/nth part of work. So if we think in a reverse manner, if we done 1/nth work, then he will complete within n days. This is the second point to remember. Here in this first question, it is given as Vamsi takes 20 days to do a job and Komlesh takes 60 days to do the same job. How long should it take if both Vamsi and Komlesh working together to do the same job? So, we know that for a person to complete a piece of work in n days, then for one day he must perform 1/nth work. And similarly, if he done 1/nth work, then he will complete in n days. So this point you should remember, because as it is inversely proportional to each other. As Vamsi takes 20 days, Vamsi's one day work is 1 to 1/20. Similarly, Komalesh one day work is 1 by 60. So Vamsi plus Komalesh one day work is 1/20 plus 1/60. Here's LCM. 23 plus 61s. 3 plus 1, 4/60. 4 ones, 4 15s. So Vamsi plus Komalesh one day work is 1/15. So we should convert this work into days. So 1/nth of work is n days, means 1/15th of work means 15 days. For this kind of problems, first you should always take work, not days. You can't simply add 20 plus 60 and tell 80. As it is inversely proportional, you have to consider work, then you have to add, and then you should again convert into days. So in the second question, it is given as Bala and DJ can complete a piece of work in 6 days. If Bala alone can complete the same work in 18 days, in how many days DJ alone can complete the same work. So we know this formula. Bala plus DJ can complete the work in 6 days. Means for 1 day they can do 1/6 part of work. Bala alone can complete the work in 18 days. So for 1 day he can do 1/18th work, 18th part of work. They are asking to find how many days DJ alone can complete the same work. So substitute here. Bala 1/18 plus DJ, we don't know, let it be x is equal to 1/6. X is equal to 1/18 minus 1/6 minus 1/18. X is equal to, take 18 as LCM, 6 3 minus 1. X is equal to 2/18, that is equal to 1/9. So 1 day's work for DJ is 1/9th part. So we know that 1/nth work is equal to n days. So 9 days. DJ alone can complete work in 9 days. Here in this third question it is given as, if 28 men can do a piece of work in 7 days, then find the number of days taken to complete same work by 98 men. So they have given 28 men can do a piece of work in 7 days. Then 98 men, they are asking to find how many days. Let it be x days. Here many people will do it as direct proportional problems. Like they will just cross multiply 28 into x is equal to 7 into 98. X is equal to 7 into 98 by 28. 7 fourths and 7 14 times. And 14 sevenths. 14 sevenths. 7 fours are 28 and 7 sevens. 98 by 4, that again will be something like 24, like this. Here 28 men is doing this work in 7 days. How come 98 men can do that work in the same work in 24 days? Because here men are getting increased, so the days should be reduced, but here days are increasing. So you should not proceed this question in this manner. So in order to do this question, we should first convert the days into work, then we should proceed like this. We should do 28 men has done it in 7 days, means you should take work 1/7th part of work. You have completed it in 1 day. So 28 men in 1/7th part of work, and they are asking for 98 men. X, the x part of work. You should find x. 28 into x is equal to 98 into 1/7. 7 14 times. X is equal to 14 by 28. That is equal to 1/2. So 98 men can do 98 men's 1 day work is 1/2. So convert work into days, that is equal to 2 days. So 98 men will complete this same amount of work within 2 days. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our Aptitude Tricks channel. And if you have any doubts, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.